Oh, I think we're in business, ladies and genitals.
Hi! How you doing today? I'm just gonna bring you along with me to install some seat covers in my van. As you can see, they need covers on them. So I actually got some. I got some of these cool cloth ones. Now I tried ordering captain chairs covers for these things because they are captain chairs, and they were absolutely not fitting. So yeah, I got these, and we'll see how they go on. Come along with me and we'll get her done. Yeah. I need to take off the armrests to get these on. So there's just a little bolt right here that retains the armrest in there. Now there's a lot of different styles and kinds, but this seems to be one of the simpler ones. So in theory, I believe I just need to unscrew this because this bolt is stationary right here. So we'll try that out and see if it works. Darn it. Oh, yep, that just comes right out. And this should pop right off. Look at that. Wow. Huh. It's like I'm an engineer or something. Let's get the other armrests off. Yeah. Ooh. It's about as easy as it gets, folks, I tell you what. The driver's seat only has one armrest, so not that these are hard to take off by any means. But I only have to do 3 instead of 4, dang it. That's cool. Alright. Very simple, very simple. And before I go anywhere, let me get a before shot of these seats. And if everything goes smooth, we'll get an after before the sun sets. And I guess we're gonna do the passenger first, since I'm standing here and I move the camera to do that. Am I on a wide lens? I sure as heck am, dang it. All right, so I took the camera off wide lens. I guess it didn't really affect too much because we were filming up close for that first segment. So I'm hoping these fit well. Oh, that's nice and snug so far. Oh, I think we're in business, ladies and genitals. Oh yeah, look at that. That is going to be perfect, I think. Sheesh. All right, I like. Those fit way better than the other ones I had put on there. I'm gonna get everything nice and snug before I poke any holes in this thing. We're just gonna get it as tight as we can. And I don't need to bring you along to watch me struggle getting the hooks on and stuff, so I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. All right. And now we got these little hooks. They hook right up to the straps, and then yeah, you just bring those suckers under here, and there's wiring on the bottom of the seats. It just hooks right up to. Look at that. I don't know how well you can see, but that's actually a really good fit, man. So these two straps that are on the front, they hooked right under the seat. But on the side, let me bring it around. There's one that comes down here, then the other one that goes through the seat. And there's really nowhere to hook them, so I just connected them right here. That worked really well. So yeah, I think we'll get these armrests on and see what she looks like. Then we'll do the other seat. I started recording, but some jerk off drove by in his freaking Dodge Ram diesel. Completely drowned me out. Rolling coal in the neighborhoods, man. Get a life. Look at that. Sweet. Man, that looks so good. And cheap little $20 seat covers. Wow. This other side on here. No turning back once you make that hole. Made a hole. Man, it is hot. I was gonna do this earlier, but it got up to like 97 today. And it is still in the 90s. It's not 97 though. Sweet. Yeah. It's real nice. Very nice seat cover. Yeah. All right. So at least that was a naturally loud vehicle. That was a motorcycle, so can't get mad at that guy. But that freaking Ram that drove by, that pissed me off, dude. Rolling coal, like, man, don't do that in the neighborhoods. Go to the freaking street, dude. Sheesh. Am I just jealous? Or is he just jealous because he saw my Ram and saw that it's a real Ram? I don't know. I don't know. All right, y'all. I am very impressed by these seat covers, man. It's like they were made for this vehicle. It's crazy. Ugh. That's like almost a perfect fit. Sheesh, guys. All right, y'all. That was a lot easier than expected. Look at that. That makes the van look so much better too. That's crazy. So I usually wouldn't care. P&J Baja blanket high back. Yeah, there's Chinese writing on there, so man, I'm sweating. You can see I'm sweating. Anyways, yeah, let's get a better look here. Look, the sun's going down. That is so nice looking, man. Wow. Gives those seats some character back, I tell you what. So I just got to get the armrest on this chair. I'll spare you the details there. And yeah, I'm gonna leave you with some footage I got going up to Eisenhower Tunnel up in the mountains. I did a little time lapse. We drove up to Eisenhower Pass, then we drove back down, so I'll throw this in for the end of the video. But other than that, I will catch you guys for my next camping adventure dropping Sunday. It's gonna be a good one. We went in the truck. So, and I went to my secret oasis spot, so look forward to that one. It's a really good adventure. All my adventures are amazing, but got a solo truck camping trip coming up for you this week. So, as always, you wear your seatbelts, all right? That's what these are. You be good to yourselves. You be good to each other. And y'all take care. Okay, take care. Yeah. Enjoy the mountain scenery. I'll see you soon.